ICE arrests now have immigrants trying to follow the rules, too afraid to show up to their own Northern California hearings. KCRA 3's Catalina Estrada is live in Sacramento. And Catalina, you spoke with an immigration attorney about the legal process being used to detain them.
Yeah, well, immigration lawyers say what they're seeing nationwide is an attempt to move cases into an expedited deportation process.
Are put in an impossible position, and their fear is legitimate.
Immigration advocacy groups say fear among the immigrant community is rising after a series of arrests by ICE officers at immigration courts.
It's hard to tell them you have nothing to be afraid of.
Attorneys believe the federal government is looking for a way to rapidly deport undocumented people by asking immigration judges to dismiss their cases.
If the case is dismissed, then Immigration and Customs Enforcement can place the individual into something called expedited removal.
Blake Nordahl with the McGeorge School of Law explains that under this process, they can be deported without a court hearing.
It's certainly what we might call fast track situation, and there is litigation in the federal courts about whether or not, now that the statute is being applied fully, whether or not that statute is constitutional.
However, in the cases of the 3 men arrested in Sacramento last week, the judge ruled their case should not be dismissed. Still, ICE officers arrested them.
If someone has an upcoming hearing, should they or should they not show up in court?
Definitely want to stress that it's very important, critically important, that everybody show up to court if they have a court hearing. Because if you don't show up to court, you will be ordered removed in your absence.
He recommends going to the hearing with an attorney.
If you don't have an attorney, that you still want to have somebody that can accompany you to the immigration court so they can document and help you fight for your rights.
The nonprofit